Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been on here in a little bit. I've been super duper busy with a bunch of things going on in my life. Me and my boyfriend are actually going to be moving to a new apartment in August, so we have been planning, organizing, and figuring out all the stuff that we need to do prior to the move and also for the move. So we're going to be doing a little hair tutorial on this look right here. It's super beachy waves. This is one of my favorite looks to do, so I'm really excited to show you how I achieve it. So today we're going to be using this little bad boy right here. It is the Wave Artist by BedHead, and it is ceramic plated, so it doesn't damage your hair as much. This is the 3-barrel deep waver. I think there's another 2 different styling kinds of these, but this one's my favorite because it gives me the deep waves that I need for my hair. And it's always surprised me since day one how much of a hold my hair can take with these waves. These could last me up to 2 to 3 days. It is amazing. And that's why I love this tool so much. So I highly recommend you guys get this and try this look out. You guys are gonna like it. So if you guys wanna see how I got this, please keep watching. The first thing we're going to do for this look is going to section off our hair into 2 separate parts. Once we part our bottom pieces in half, I'm going to use this dry shampoo by Beachy just to give me extra texture and volume to my fresh hair. It really does make a difference, especially for the thin-haired girls out there just like me. To start, we're going to part our bottom pieces in half again so we can work with smaller sections at a time. Now we're going to take our wave iron and place it on our starting point. I like to start at 1 inch or so lower than the closest part to my head so it doesn't create a huge dent in my hairstyle. This is key to make these waves look effortless and beachy and not too overdone. Another critical part is how to use this tool in the easiest way as I demonstrate here. Once you create the initial wave, and instead of creating one directly underneath it, it looks way better when it is one continuous wave. To do this, make sure that when you're going down the section, that the top barrel of the tool fits in the last wave of the previous set. I will continue doing these steps all over my head, holding each wave for at least 30 seconds. For those of you who would like to try this look out, I purchased this tool on Amazon and I will link that in the description below.
Ooh, look a wave, how nice.
I'm going to speed through the rest of this process since it's just repeating the previous steps all over my head. And also, I'm sorry if you see me looking to the side. I had my TV on in the background, binge watching Boy Meets World. It's my favorite show in the entire world, and no matter how many times I've seen every single episode, it still keeps me hooked. Woohoo! We're done with the last piece of waves. While I let them cool off, I'm going to work on my bangs. I usually have front bangs, but since the quarantine, I haven't been able to get them cut again. I know, such a sad story. So when I have side bangs, I like to use my flat iron to actually curl them backwards so that they flow into the rest of my hairstyle as seen here. And then with a small comb, I'm just going to comb through my bangs until I get the look that I'm going for. Now that the waves are cooled down, I'm going to run my fingers through them just so we can create some separation and a little bit more of a natural look. It's all in the fluff, guys. To lock my bangs in place and finish this look off, I'm going to be using Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. And this is the finished look. It's honestly one of my favorite looks that I get to do to my hair. It makes me feel casual, super beachy, but it's also a unique wave instead of like, you know, the regular waves you get. So I really like the way it comes out. It really frames my face really nicely and it just makes me feel great. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and I hope you guys try out this looks very soon. It will look good on everybody. And if you do try it out, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching and until next time, I'll see ya. Bye.